Hello friends, this is Kukoy,
Arisha. Me.
Aria, Amira,
Okay, there.
yes there. And where are we?
Expo.
Yeah.
Wow, we came Expo.
Yeah.
Listen. What is coming?
Yes, we're here in Expo.
Can I tell you something?
Yes.
Friends, we came Expo and right time it's raining.
Yeah, rain or shine, naglaag mi, di ba? Karon naglaag mi, it's raining actually. See, this is, we are here at the mobility entrance. This is the, at the back side is the
Gate.
big gate, mobility gate. See? So people here, even though it's raining, but everyone is enjoying. Rain or shine, manglaag ang mga laagan.
Wear my hood. I will not.
Look, that is the main gate. So just don't mind about my hair, but still really it's raining. So it's my first time to come here actually, but it's because of the kids. He wanted to come here, so that's why we're here.
Also my first time. That my big sister second time.
Yeah, only.
In school she goes, but not me.
Yes. Thank you. Hold, come here, hold. It's slowly, walk slowly because it's slippery. Yeah, madulas kasi yung sahig, so walk slowly.
I'm wearing rubber shoes.
Yeah, it's our first time to come here, so it's very nice. So we're going to show you some because we're on our way to the main entrance. Okay. Yes, we're inside now. That is the main entrance. Actually, before when you go there, you have to show your ticket. You have to show your vaccination info, like that. So you have it ready. So now we are here in the mobility district. That is the walkway of the mobility district. Yes. What? Yeah, because you're still a kid, so you're not yet allowed. See, that is a very good, nice building in it. And if you wish to have what is this map, you can take it there anywhere. See, this we will start our journey with a map. That we don't know where to go, where to start, as long as we're here inside the Expo.
We're first going to the Alif, the mobility pavilion. They will tell us everything about mobility.
Yeah, so Alia said we need to go to the Alif. That
Like
something,
like I will get
tell something what's inside. See, that is beautiful. If you see that one beautiful structure building. So we're going there inside as per Aliyah there. So something will tell us what to expect for. So we're going now there on the side. So Aliyah's there with Arisha there. Okay.
Hello friends again.
Hello friends. Sila ba? Rain or shine, ang mga laagan is naglaag-laag. Now, dili ma-complete ang among laag dinhi sa Expo kung if we cannot visit our very own Philippine Pavilion.
Can I tell you something?
We are on our way to the Philippine Pavilion. Yes?
Can I tell you something? Okay, listen.
Yes?
As I wanted to say that before this again happened, it was sunny that time. Then it happened again rainy. I was playing with the rain. I'm all wet.
Yeah, actually we are all wet here, but the show must go on, rain or shine. So we are now on our way to the Philippine Pavilion. See? It's there.
Pavilion.
Yes, we are going to.
Philippine Pavilion.
Yeah, so watch out.
Pavilion.
You read what's written. It is the Bangkota. Welcome to Bangkota, the Pavilion of Philippines.
Why is it like that?
I'm gonna go to Japan.
You go there, you get a stamp.
I already got stamped.
Unfortunately, the Philippine Pavilion is closed due to holiday in the Philippines. So you need to go back next time to see what's inside the Philippine Pavilion Bangkota.
I'm hungry. Ate! Have you saw the speedy rain? Ate, have you saw the speedy rain? Move. That's only?
Friends, that ends our laag for today. Even though it's raining, sila pa ulan lang sila, pero laagan me.
Guys, I saw lightning.
Yeah, so it's having thunder and lightning here. It's still raining, but people are still coming in. So, tama ajud ang ginaingon. Ulan ka lang, laagan ang mga tao. So again, friends, thank you so much for watching. If even you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even share. So again, this is me, Kukoy.
Me, Aisha, Alia.
Bye. Bye.